I'm a blue boy myself. Thank you, Brian. This is Maribik. Shout out. Tududung! Mabaho yung aming kapitbahay. Event. Right, M, shout out. Brian, how are you, Brian? Triple T, shout out. Thank you so much for visiting my live. Ito muna ako ng aking damit. Folding my clothes. Hello, Kitty. Did nice to speak again, especially on someone else's channel. Thank you, Brian. You're not busy today? So yun, I'm folding the clothes and then I'm washing also. Harang, Sis Inday. Salamat sa paharang. Sis Maribik Meneses. Thank you so much, 7M. Thank you, Brian, for visiting us on our LS from Sisti. Thank you so much, everyone. Mag-i-update lang ako ng aking live. Napag-live ka kanina kasi ginagamit ni DMTV Macau yung aking cellphone. Nag-error, nag-ano siya kanina is napasok yung ano niya. Miss Maribik. Kalimutan ko palang puntahan yung sa anak mo si Mark Meneses. Nakaplay ako kay Lola Tots. Good evening, everyone, from Sis Maribik. Hindi siya siguro si Brian. Girly room si sis. Tingnan mo pati yung aking kurtina. Pink. Pero favorite ko talaga black. Sa gamit. Sa gamit lang mahilig ako sa pink. Pero pag nalabas ako, lagi ako naka all black. Pati bag ko. Lahat ng bag ko mga black. January has been very busy for me, but today is not a busy day. I have not had time until today to join my YouTube friend. Nice to be with you again. Thank you so much, Brian. For your time. Luto lang ako, sis almusal. Ay, good morning na pala sa'yo dyan, sis Did. Good morning, good morning.